Today we're going to be talking about some tips and tricks on how to clean and protect your wheels and tires. We're going to be using the 3-bucket method today, which means we're going to be using a specific wheel and tire bucket. That means you're not going to be introducing any contaminants from your wheels and tires to your car's paint. With using the 3-bucket method, we can start with the wheels and tires and then wash the car. If you're using a 2-bucket method, you want to wash the car first and then move on to the wheels and tires last. European cars like Jaguars obviously have a ton of brake dust, so we're going to be using our wheel cleaner. If your car doesn't have as much brake dust, you can use a wheel and tire cleaner for both the wheels and tires. Once we clean the wheels, we're going to be using our wheel and tire cleaner on the tires. So for the wheels, we're going to be using a soft bristled brush so we don't scratch the surface. And then for the tires, since it's a harder rubber surface, we're going to be using a hard bristled brush. We're going to start by rinsing the wheels and tires. Getting that surface rinsed helps the product to work in and clean any contaminants. I mentioned it before, but we're going to be using our heavy duty wheel cleaner. This will help remove any embedded brake dust and heavy brake dust on the wheels that these European cars produce. After that, we're going to be using our wheel and tire cleaner to clean the tires. As you can see on the wheel, there's a lot of purple runoff from the iron indicator in the formula. This just shows all the contaminants that the formula is removing from the wheel. Now that we've let the product sit for around 2 minutes, we're going to scrub the wheels and then move on to the tires. Another tool that can be handy when you're cleaning your wheels is something like this. A lot of people call it a wheel woolly. It just lets you get into those deeper parts that the brush might not have gotten. So a great thing to do with any surface in your car is make sure that it's protected. That's no different for the wheels. For that, we're going to be using our spray and rinse ceramic sealant. The great thing about this product is you can use it on a wet surface and rinse off, so no buffing. That makes it particularly great for your wheels since you don't have to get in all the nooks and crannies when you're buffing a product off. And it really is that easy. Just spray it on a wet surface and rinse off, and that'll last you around 6 months. So now that the tire's dry, we're going to be using our aerospace protectant to protect it. That'll give the tire a natural finish and prevent any fading, dry rotting, and browning. So now we've cleaned and protected these wheels and tires. If you like the video, like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or you want to hear any further tips and tricks, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.